I'm like nervous. I'm nervous I'm gonna break this. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad Pro. I am so excited. As you guys can see, it's right behind me. If you guys can hear a little bit of background noise, I really apologize. Obviously, with everything going on, everybody is home and in the house right now, and there's actually laundry going in the room next door to me, so please, I am so sorry if you can kind of pick up that noise. But if you're new to my channel, hi, hello, and if you're not new, welcome back. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So today's video, I don't know if you guys know this, but I am actually a big lover of tech. I have always loved Mac products and always loved to learn new things on different softwares. And I actually, literally taught my dad how to use his Mac computer when I was in, 3rd or 4th grade. So I have always been a huge Mac lover. I obviously have a Mac computer. I do have my old iPad with me that I want to talk to you guys about. And I have my iPhone and my Apple Watch, which lately, my Apple Watch has just been telling me to stand up and, how my rings are really low lately. Which has obviously been a good thing, because I find myself laying on the couch watching Netflix all day and I'm like, okay, yeah, I need to go for a walk or something. So before I unbox my iPad, this is going to be a little bit different than your traditional unboxing iPad videos. I obviously have seen a ton of these and I watch almost every single Mac unboxing video, because usually those types of videos talk about all the specs of the product and of course the differences between the old models and the new model. So first things first, I wanted to share with you guys my old iPad. This is a picture of Josh Devine and me. If you guys know who Josh Devine is, let me know. But yeah, this is obviously really old because that picture looks nothing like me and you can tell it's extremely unupdated. So I'm gonna swipe it open and I want to see what generation this is. Okay, so I just had to look this up because it obviously has been a while since I've used this iPad. This is the iPad 2, so this is the 2nd generation of the iPad. Obviously, it won't let me, at least I think it won't let me update it to be anything new, and I've always wanted an iPad that I can use a pencil with and draw on, make my videos a little bit better, take notes better, and just be able to be more creative. So everything that is actually on this iPad, I'm going to not transfer over because there's pictures of me from 6th grade and it's like, do I need that? No. But I will be transferring all of my photos and notes and voice memos onto a hard drive because, let's be honest, we don't want to lose those memories. So basically, really quickly, I did want to explain why I wanted to get the iPad Pro and what kind of got me here. I have always wanted, as mentioned, an iPad where I did have a pencil to be a little bit more creative, take my notes on there, and I mean, who doesn't want a new iPad? I also, obviously, like any other Apple lover, you guys probably know when Apple releases certain things. We know that September and March are pretty big months for Apple, and starting in November, I was just like, okay, I'm gonna wait for the new iPad because I know it's probably coming soon. And then of course with everything going on, I was like, it's not happening, they're not gonna release a new iPad, there's no way, because I was curious how they were even doing their production. But I guess you should never doubt Apple, because here we are sitting with a new iPad during lockdown. I did order this iPad the day that it was released and it did arrive today, and today is Wednesday, March 25th. Another thing really quickly about pricing and everything, I am a college student and I found out that they actually do student discounts. I really thought this was just an in-person transaction because anytime I did go buy something at the Apple Store, they ask you if you're a student and you get a discount. But I found out that you actually can go on their education website and get that discount. Even if you're a parent of the student, you're a student yourself, you're gonna get some money off, so definitely check that out. Alright, now let's do this thing. The first thing I am going to unbox is obviously the iPad, and then I'm going to do the accessories. So I did purchase the iPad Pro 11-inch, the 125 gigabyte Wi-Fi model. And here we go. This is so satisfying, because you don't need a knife or anything. Feels like Christmas. So here we are, unboxing my iPad Pro. I'm not going to have another camera set up to show me doing this. I'm just going to show you guys. Be raw and be real. Oh my gosh, I can already tell how beautiful it is. So I'm just going to take the plastic wrapping off and try not to drop it. Okay, so the iPad is out of the case. I'm going to turn this puppy on. You guys have probably been watching other videos of other unboxing videos because I've watched about like 12 by now. And they usually show you all the specs, but here we are just, you know, doing a traditional unboxing. So I got the cable and the plug, very untechnical terms, but I'm gonna plug this in while I do the accessories. Okay, so first things first, obviously I had to get the iPad pencil. This is the 2nd generation, and as we know, my old iPad couldn't get an iPad pencil, so I've never had one before, so this is fresh and new. Obviously, if you have an older generation iPad that is able to use the iPad pencil, then you don't have to buy another one. Packaging that Apple does is just so pristine. I love it. And look at that puppy in there. You know what's also kind of crazy is that I've never ever used an iPad pencil. I've never even used my dad's, my sister's. I've never tried it out at the store, so this is very cool. So we got the pencil unwrapped. It feels very sleek and matte if you guys have never felt an iPad pencil. Pretty light, has a little bit of weight to it to make it feel pretty normal. The next thing I got, obviously, I did not get the Magic Keyboard because that doesn't come out until May, and to be honest with you, I don't think I would go for it. Mostly because I don't want to use this iPad as my computer, and I feel like that makes it feel like more of a computer. While with this, I want to just make it strictly be a tablet so I don't neglect my computer. Because if you guys haven't seen, the Magic Keyboard does come with a trackpad at the bottom, so it does give it more of that computer feel. Although I do have an Apple mouse that my dad had given me, and if I decide to use it, I know I can connect it to my iPad, so that's always cool. But since I didn't get the Magic Keyboard, I just got the traditional Smart Keyboard Folio. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Smart Keyboard Folio. I just got the traditional one. This also acts as your case for your iPad, which I think is really nice. But I have heard a lot of people having a travel case for their iPad that almost looks like a computer case, and if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. So we're unboxing this guy. Alright, so we got our keyboard here. This is so crazy. This is just crazy to me. I'm thinking, so right when you hook it up, these 3 dots right here just like connect to your iPad and you're able to type. This feels so nice, and I really like how the keys are raised and you can still feel like you're typing. That was also very important to me. I didn't want a flat keyboard that felt like I wasn't touching anything. Okay, so I'm gonna let the iPad charge for a second, and then I'm gonna hook it up and kind of sync everything together, wipe everything down. You know how it is. Alright, here we are. Okay, here we are. I'm going to be, it is on. It is saying hello. And I'm going to swipe up and kind of just quickly set this up. Alright, this is so cool. It detected that I have the iPad near me, and I have to do, oh my gosh, why is this so cool? Enter the passcode that's on your phone. Wow, this is really exciting. I feel like this is going to keep me really busy during these, you know, next few weeks or few months, whatever it may be off. So it's just saying that it's going to take a few minutes to activate your iPad, and it's really cool because it's kind of syncing in with my phone. So my phone is just saying finish on new iPad. Okay, Face ID. As you guys might know, I have the iPhone 8. I did mention this in a past video, and I don't have Face ID, and I look really different without makeup on, so we'll see how this goes. So I really think it's not going to recognize me without makeup on. That would be sad, but like I don't mind putting in my password. This is actually, I feel like, the perfect size for me. I think my iPad 2 is a little bit smaller, but obviously this doesn't have a home button. It's just full on screen, which is like so exciting. So lately, since I know that I was getting this iPad, I started to watch a lot of iPad videos, like my favorite apps and all that type of thing. If you guys have a favorite app that you like are obsessed with, let me know in the comments down below. This is where I struggle because I have so many different apps and like pictures on my phone. I feel like I'm just gonna not transfer anything. Is that a bad decision? I don't know. Like, realistically, what do I need on here that I have on my phone? So, oh my gosh, this is like so crazy. It's so clean and crisp. I love how this is looking. I'm gonna be on this like all week, and I'm not sad about it. It's gonna take up like all my time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is all set up. I'm obviously going to be playing around with this all day, but now I'm gonna hook up I'm gonna test out the pencil and then the keyboard. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is so cool. Double tap on your Apple Pencil. Are you kidding? Okay, draw. erase. Like, I am just blown away. I do watch a lot of these videos and I'm like, obviously I kind of know like what things do what, but like, this is so exciting. Like, okay, so now for the keyboard. Hello, I am typing. This is going to take a little bit of getting used to. The keyboard is going to take me some time. I am obviously very used to like typing on my computer and it's a lot bigger keyboard, but still like it's going to take some time to get used to, but I love the feeling. Okay, so I don't really know what this video was. I wanted to do an unboxing. I thought it was a good video idea. People like to watch these types of videos. I know I do. If you guys want to see more iPad style videos, I might try like recording a podcast on here. I might try editing videos on here. If you guys want to see any of that or anything to do with the iPad, like maybe I'll try to film on the iPad and see how that turns out. Anything related iPad, let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up just to let me know that, hey, yeah, we want to see iPad videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this weird and random video. I am so excited about this. This is obviously going to take up a lot of my week this week because I have to learn like a whole new thing. And my classes at school don't start up until next week, so like, this is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do make new videos every week, and lately I've been doing 2 videos a week. I hope everyone is staying safe and continuing to be healthy. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.